Hello, my name is Robert Brewster, and the name of this game is Ultimate Fitness. This is a fitness game for grades 6 through 9. This game also incorporates frisbee skills into it, and the equipment needed for this game is a frisbee, some boundary markers, and different color pennies. There is very little setup required for playing this game. If it is possible to play this game outside, a football field will work great, as I have pictured here in this diagram. And you will use the end zones as your boundaries for where both teams will score at, and also use the sidelines for the out of bounds lines. If you have to play in a gym, you can use the lines on the gym floor as out of bounds lines, and then just create an end zone just beyond the baselines. Lastly, you're going to want to split your students into 2 even teams and give each team a different color set of pennies to wear. In this example, I have one group of students wearing red pennies and one group wearing blue pennies. This game is very simple to play. It's basically the same concepts as Ultimate Frisbee, but with a fitness twist once a team scores. Once the defense has been scored on, the defense will have to perform a set of exercise which is given to them by the teacher. Gameplay will start in the center field with a jump ball with a frisbee, and in this scenario I have the red team gaining control of the frisbee. Students may not run with the frisbee. Once they catch the frisbee, they must find an open teammate and pass the frisbee to them and work the frisbee down the field this way. In this example, you can see that the red team gained the frisbee and made 2 different passes to the end zone to score. Therefore, the blue team would have to complete a set of exercises given to them by the teacher. Once the red team scores, no matter what, the blue team will have to perform an exercise, or vice versa if the blue team was to score on the red team. But once a team scores, they must answer a trivia question from any subject matter that the teacher decides to ask them. If they get the question right, then they receive the point from which they scored. And if they get the question wrong, then they receive no points. At the end of the game, the team with the most points wins. When playing this game, students use correct form while throwing and catching the frisbee and doing the exercises. When throwing the frisbee, students should line their shoulder that they're going to be throwing with towards their target and step towards their target and release and follow through towards the target. When catching, students should catch the frisbee out in front of their body by clamping down on it. When doing the exercises, students want to make sure they're using the correct form on all exercises given to them by the teacher. This will ensure safety and also make sure that the students are fully benefiting from the exercises. Again, the name of this game is Ultimate Fitness. Got the source of this game from watching different YouTube videos. Thanks for watching.